today we're going to do a quick review on how to use a night splint. So we prescribe night splints for various different conditions, the most common being plantar fasciitis or heel pain. The purpose of using this device is to actually stretch out that calf muscle. So those tight calf muscles actually can cause a lot of different foot problems. So if we spend a little time focusing on loosening that muscle up, we can actually help a lot of different types of foot pain. So if we prescribe this for you, we've already fitted it to you so you get a good stretch. So this is just a nice reminder on how to use it. When you take the device out, there are 3 straps attached to that device. You shouldn't have to worry about adjusting these after they've already been fitted. So put the device on, go ahead and keep your knee bent at first. Slip that heel all the way back so it's really nice and snug into the back. Keep that knee bent, like I said, and start buckling your straps. The one around the toe is going to go underneath your side straps, and it just clicks right in. Your second one does the same thing, goes over the ankle and clips right in. And then the top one goes over that shin, clips right in. Once again, that's all you have to do once we have fitted it for you. Then go ahead and straighten that knee out, and you should feel a light stretch on that calf muscle. Now, if you have some back issues or maybe some tight hamstrings also, that may be uncomfortable to have that leg all the way up. If you want to go ahead and rest it on the ground, my number 1 rule is keep that knee straight. If you do want to feel a little bit more of a stretch across the back of that leg, go ahead and lift it up on a chair or even underneath some pillows, and you'll feel a stretch all the way back that leg. If at any time it becomes painful when you're doing this, go ahead and take it off and take a break. Same thing as if you feel any numbness or tingling in your foot. You might be stretching too much. We need to take it off and take a break. Let us know. We might need to do some adjustments to it. And that is how easy it is to use a night splint.